Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to create a professional parallax effect in Canva. Like these effects, we will open Canva. Then click on the plus icon. A new window will open. On the left side, go to the Videos section, and from here we will select Video Landscape first. We will upload a picture for the background, which I have already uploaded. From here, I will select it. Then we will go to Elements and search for Glitter Overlay. Then select the Graphics tab. From the results, select whichever you like. I have selected this one. Click on it and bring it onto the screen. Increase its size, like this. After that, we will go to Text again and add some text. For example, I have written, "Welcome." You can write any text you want here. Now we will increase the text size and change its font style. From the top, go to Font Style and search for 210, which is a Korean font style. Select this font and then close it. From here, we will change the font color and set it to white. After that, go to Effects and apply the left shadow effect. We will increase the intensity slightly. Now we will take another blank page or duplicate this page. Next, we will duplicate this element and drag it onto the second page. Then we will duplicate the text and bring it onto the second page as well. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with someone who needs it. We will increase the duration a little and set it to 10 seconds. We will increase both pages to 10 seconds. Along with this, the font and the overlay will also be increased to the same duration. From here, you can make the size smaller or larger. When you see the three squares at the bottom and select them, you can increase or decrease your timeline size. And if you select the single square type icon above, you can increase or decrease the screen size from here. In this way, I increase the overlay a little. After that, now we will increase the font size. In this way, we will make the size quite large. Yes, exactly like this, we increase it quite a lot. Now, between these two pages, we will add a transition. Click on Add Transitions. In the Transition panel, apply the match and move Transition and set the duration to the very end. Then close it. Now, when we preview our text, our parallax effect animation is created like this. Now we will download it. Go to Share and click on Download. After downloading, we will upload it again to Canva. After uploading, bring this video into your project and delete the animation we previously created. Now check where your animation starts and cut it from there. we will cut it from this point. Then, where the animation ends, cut it again. The split icon is here in the toolbar using it. Delete the back portion. We cut the video now. Our final animation is ready. You can download it and use it on any page or in any project. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others to support our content and help the channel grow.